Hello, today we are going to create a very simple iOS 5 program using Mac and Xcode 4.2. Okay. So what we have, we open Xcode. Check the Xcode version we have. We have the Xcode version 4.2 build 4C199. Okay, and let's go back. The first thing we want to do is to start by creating a new Xcode project. Okay. We will choose the application under the iOS, and then we choose a single view application, and then we click next, and we want to put the product name. Let's say our product name is Hello World 01 001 in this case. Okay, 01. Then we leave company identifier as you can use any names you want. Leave everything else the same, and then you pick the device family as an iPhone. Uh, Click blank on the use storyboard. Check the use automatic reference counting. Check blank include unit tests. Okay, and then after that you click next. Let's say you want to put this one on uh, your desktop, right? So let's say, and then you choose create. Okay. So Xcode will create uh, the project for you, right? And then under the project, you can see the folder Hello World 01 that we just created. The first thing we want to do is to look at the nib file, where is the graphical interface that we want to work on. The first thing we want to work on is to put the label on the top where we show the when the program run, we can see the hello world show up, and then we have the control button down here. So what we need to do is we have to choose the show the object library, like the cube here, and then choose the icon view, right? uh, then we drag the label here, and then make adjust the size of the label that we have. Okay, and then get rid of the text there. Okay, you may want to adjust. You can see there's the center line, the blue dotted line there. That's mean we are center. So we just put the object under the center. Then we want to use the round rectangle button here. Okay, let me adjust the size a little bit. And then say place me. Okay. So what we want to do is that once we place the place me when the app show up in the simulator, we want to have the word hello world show up in the label. Okay. So the next step, first of all, we want to save by hold the keyboard Command S. You save the work. The next thing we want to link the graphical interface with the code. So we have to go to editor icon top here, and then click the show the assistant editor, right? The system will show the code of the view controller, the interface file, the view controller, and you can see here the code already make the template for you. The first thing you have to do is to link the object, the label object, to the interface file code. So you choose the label, okay, and then hold on your keyboard, hold the control key, right? And then drag the mouse. The system will create a link. See, show up here. You just drop it there. Okay. Uh, the connection will be the outlet. The object will be files owner. The name, let's say the name here, you just say name label. Okay. and then you choose I think the type is only one, you choose the UI label, and then storage is strong. Okay, choose the strong, and then you say connect. Okay, Xcode will generate the code for you, right, for this label, the property, and the outlet, right? The next step you have to do is that you want to link the code, link the button object to the code for the view controller interface file. So that you do repeat the same thing. You choose the object, choose the button, and then hold the control key on your keyboard and link to the code under before the end. In this case, since it is action, you want to choose the connection as the action, right? And then you want to name the name is as the button, okay? And then you say uh, the event is touched up inside, and then argument is sender, and you say connect, okay? Now you want to save by again press Command S, right? And also save the nib file Command S, okay? Next step we want to do is that we want to put the code, the action up when you press me, and then put the word hello world onto the label. So what we have to do is that we have to go to the implementation file of view controller, which is viewcontroller.m. You have to scroll to the bottom of the code of the view controller. You can see here, you can see the Xcode already create the header of the code for you, right? In the implement. What you have to do is uh, you just type label dot text equal to add. Okay, you just say hello. You close the double quote and then put the semicolon. Okay, and after that, again you save it. Command S, right? And now we want to run the program now. So what we have to do is we have to compile and run it. So at the icon here on the top left corner, it say build and then run the current scheme. Okay, and you have noticed that we choose Hello World 01 and use the iPhone 5 simulator. So just build and then run. The build is succeeded. Okay, and then you can see the iPhone simulator show up. Put the place me. You can and you can see Hello World word show up on your label. Okay, if you can follow this, this is your first iOS 5 program that you have just done.